Hello. Okay. Hi everyone. So we are here under the awning of the travel trailer trying to frantically unload 500 pounds of chicken feed. And it's covered in a tarp, but once we uncover it, we have to scoop the feed out and put it into dry containers and take it up because we don't have a good place to store, easily move 500 pounds of feed at one time. And so this is us doing that. So I'm thinking, babe, I'm thinking if we leave the tarp down on that side, you pull it up and kind of tuck it up there to prevent water from going this way. Is that fine? I think simply tucking it will be sufficient. This will keep it from whatever comes off the awning.
Right, and that should help protect it a little bit.
Oh yeah. Oh, hello. Okay.
Don't like small talk or crowded sidewalk. She don't like small talk. She don't like to say it.
All dry.
You have a scoop?
I just got this one. I don't know where your big scoop is. It wasn't in the... Probably has to be dried if you're going to use it.
Don't like small talk or crowded sidewalk. She don't like small talk. She don't like to say a lot, but she don't mind restful sacred mornings, listening to the rain. She don't like big crowds or dreary storm clouds. She don't like big crowds. She's just a country mouse, but she don't mind listening to my shaky voice chiming out melodies. Her glass of wine by the fireplace, trading memories. Don't like the rat race or the numbing fast pace of the city's mad chase. Smiley plastic face, but she don't mind filling blank pages with perfect poetry. She don't like shiny people or getting in too deep with phony deadbeats, just pounding the concrete. But she don't mind sitting in a cafe window, watching the world go by. She don't mind lifting up her soothing voice for a midnight lullaby.
I don't know if these tubs will hold what we need it to hold, but we're gonna go with it because this is what we got. And we'll try to be good about it. Ready?
There's a fire here, far enough to keep me warm. I'm so used to my own heartbeat, back and forth against the night. I could not surrender to my cold fears, knowing someone's out there, you were out there waiting just for me. Wake up in my arms. How I love it when you take all of my parts. Then you're running with my heart.
We're unpacking, or we've unpacked it now. We're gonna go put it all away, but yeah. This is what 500 pounds of chicken feed looks like when you have to unpack it to put it in a dry place. Thanks for watching.
Your arms in mine, we explored design and the love that brought us here. Now when I wake, no matter the space, I know that I'm home. And I will not run, and I will not hide my love.
Storing these in the inside office because they are not actually rodent safe, and a really aggressive, maybe mad rodent could probably chew through the plastic and get to the animal food. And I don't know if it's moisture safe either. So we're gonna store the food inside, and then you know, fill up the food grade barrels that are moisture proof and animal proof, so that we'll have better storage. But it worked out. We'll be able to store all 500 pounds of food in a nice dry place so that we can have food for our chickens for the next several months. So, yay! 500 pounds of feed.